Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 18. Define double circulatory system. Double circulatory system क्या है? It means having two loops. One is oxygenated and another one is deoxygenated. In our body, in which blood circulates. Two loops होंगी हमारी बॉडी में जिनसे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होगी, oxygenated and deoxygenated. Oxygenated are oxygen rich and deoxygen little or no oxygen, but a lot of carbon dioxide is there. Double circulatory system ensure करता है that we are giving our tissues and muscles blood that is full of oxygen instead of mixture of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. हम अपनी टिश्यूज को, मसल्स को मिक्सचर नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रहे ऑक्सीजनेटेड और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड का, बट ओनली ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. इट मे टेक अ बिट मोर एनर्जी दैन सिंगल सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम एंड is more efficient than single circulatory system. This was question number 18.